English phrases unpacked. Lay hands on. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, lay hands on. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its various meanings and how to use it in everyday conversations. Lay hands on is an idiomatic expression with multiple meanings depending on the context. The most basic meaning is to physically touch or hold something. However, it can also imply gaining possession of something or, in a more negative sense, to harm someone. Let's break down each meaning with examples. When used literally, lay hands on simply means to touch or hold something with your hands. For example, as soon as I lay hands on the new book, I'll lend it to you. Here, it's all about physically holding the book. In another sense, lay hands on can mean to find or acquire something. It's often used when someone has been searching for an item. For instance, I can't wait to lay hands on a copy of that rare album. This implies eagerness to obtain something desired. A more serious use of the phrase is in the context of causing harm. Saying, "He laid hands on someone," often means that person was physically attacked. It's important to understand this usage as it significantly changes the tone of a conversation. And that's a wrap on lay hands on. Remember, context is key in understanding the meaning of this phrase. Whether it's touching, acquiring, or, unfortunately, harming, lay hands on is a versatile phrase in English. We hope this video helps you grasp its usage better. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.